Uh, Hey everyone, Darren here on Monday, March the 2nd. Looking now at a weekly chart of the euro versus the dollar. Again, to reiterate the long-term story, as you can see, we got below the midline of the super trend, which is the crosses here on the week of July 25th, 2014, and we've just been beneath it ever since. So the bias that the euro's been in trouble ever since that point. As we can see, that was confirmed by us being on red bars, which means that sellers are in control and with the bars below their midline. And as we can see, we've remained mostly on red bars throughout below the midline. We had a couple of green bars, but still below the midline, so much ado about nothing. On red lines again, we had a couple of weeks ago one green bar again, but again well below the midline, and then a very bad week. Last week we closed near the lows of the week, so heavy selling pressure coming back in. This week we've started on red bars again, so sellers still driving the price action. Looks like we're going to retest the lows from a few weeks ago, which stand at 110.97. Should we break these lows on a closing basis on any given week, I would expect another substantial leg down in the euro once that low is taken out. So not a pretty picture. As you can see, the composite below that pink line as well ever since July, and still riding down. Our trend filter, again, the consolidation we saw for 4 weeks around the 113 handle. Our trend filter is still riding the red line, so not buying any of it, saying that the downtrend is still intact. Relative strength, as we can see, remains below the midline, and our intermediate term momentum gauge again remains on a -1 reading, so negative. And so overall, not a pretty picture in the euro. Caution still warranted, and looking like we're up for that retest. Anyways, I will update you on a need-to-know basis, and certainly towards the end of the week. Happy trading, and speak to you soon.